Hey guys, it's Z Gallerie Haul, so get ready to shop with me. I've got a few items, but one of them is from Amazon.com. So let's go ahead and take a look and get into this video. Hey guys, it's Beck from AveryHomeDecor, and today I'm going to do a quick shopping haul. I went to Z Gallerie. You know, I do that at least once or twice a year. Let's get started with this box here. As you can tell, the gold color. These are from Z Gallerie. There are the black and gold pillows. I already had the white and gold, but I was intrigued by this. This one I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to get these from Z Gallerie. Actually, there was a Minx box that I wanted to get, but this particular one is a little bit different, and I actually saw it in white and gold. So I decided, let me get it. Let me show you what it looks like. So here's the smaller one. These I think are really cute. So this is a gold and white orb. I've got 3 of them. And again, they came from Amazon.com. As you know, I did an elegant tablescape for home staging, and I used some of these cloaks from Z Gallerie, and I actually like them so much. I got one. I got the biggest one, the 21 inch. And guys, just to let you know, I have been asked to stage someone else's home. They actually just got their bathroom remodeled, and they're getting everything taken out and getting brand new everything. Brand new toilet, brand new, forget what you call it. Oh, brand new toilet, brand new vanity, brand new mirror, light fixture. So today's Monday, July 5th. I'm going to be heading over there Tuesday to start getting the color scheme together. Alright, so this is one of the pieces I used in my elegant tablescape at my home staging that I just did recently, and I liked it so much I went and got the 21 inch cloak for myself. So guys, I did do a little shopping at Z Gallerie as well as Amazon.com, and I am looking forward to taking you guys along with me when I go and do my home staging for this bathroom makeover. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the home stages. Do you want to continue to see more, especially since I'm being asked to do more? I actually had a couple people contact me to style their home, so, or home stage their home for them. Alright guys, so that's the end for sure this time, and I will see you on the next one.